Hi gems, it's your girl Ambra here, and welcome back to my channel. At this point, you guys have probably already seen this eyeshadow look, and today we're going to be talking about foundation. As you've seen in the intro, you guys, Benefit Cosmetics came out with a new foundation called Hello Happy Soft Blur. So these are the 4 shades that they sent me. They did not send me the deepest shade, which was 12, which I'm a little... I guess my curiosity is killing me as to why they wouldn't and probably take her away, but nonetheless, this is what they sent. The components are super cute. They're very on brand with Benefit, very cute and girly. You do get 1 fluid ounce. It is a plastic component. The top twists off and you do have this squeeze tube, which is similar to the Cover FX Power Play foundation. Let's get a couple swatches in so that you guys can get a range. This is the shade 8. This is the shade 9. So interesting to me because it's so orange. This is 10. This is 10. This is 10. And then this is 11. First of all, the consistency is super runny. This is 11. Ooh, girl. But there you have it right there. 8, 9, 10. Bleeding a little bit, but that's 10. And then this is 11. So, in the sake of not completely playing myself, you know I'm gonna go on with number 11. As far as how I've prepped my skin, I went on ahead and used my Kevin Aquan The Sensual Skin Primer, which I've really been liking. And then I want to go over top of that with my Hourglass Veil, which is a mineralized primer. And I just want to put that in the areas that I know for a fact I get the most shiny. So I'm gonna go in with 11. I'm just gonna do some dollops on the skin, like so. And I wanna go in with my Morphe M439 and buff it into the skin. Okay, so 11 is definitely the best match for me. I'm curious as to what 12 would look like, because I'm typically the darkest shade in most foundations that have a really small color range, but this one's really pretty and I love the way that it looks using the brush. Alright, so this is layer 1. I mean, it says that it's light to medium, and I feel like you can make just about anything full coverage if you keep on putting on layers, but for the sake of what they attest to, I'm going to put on another layer because I can still see a lot of my imperfections, and that is a no-go. But it blends out really pretty. It's not giving me any drama. And the thing that got me really excited about trying the foundation is that it said that it had neutral undertones, and I have neutral undertones. For the longest time, I thought I had red golden undertones, but truly I'm relatively neutral. Yeah, I like that coverage better. I like the way my skin looks. It definitely is a fresh finish. It doesn't feel very heavy. It doesn't feel very heavy. So I'm gonna go off camera, finish the rest of my face, and then come on with my final thoughts. Alright, gems, so I finished the rest of my face. I completed it with my highlighting, contouring, blush, you know, the whole rundown. And this is the final look. First impression, because I probably won't have enough time to get back on here and show you full day wear. She's pretty. I'm not gonna lie, I love the way that it looks on the skin. Again, I am the shade 11. I didn't even play with the other shades. Honestly, I think what I want to do is provide a giveaway because there's no way that I can use the other products. And from a sanitary standpoint, did I do anything to contaminate it? Not entirely sure. So this is what we're gonna do. All you have to do is like this video and comment below whether or not you feel like you'll be 8, 9, or 10, and I will just select on random. But what's important is that you need to make sure that you are subscribed to my channel and you comment below. So I like to keep those things relatively simple. Here's the thing, I know only having 12 shades is gonna piss a lot of people off. Like, I get that. I mean, I'm here for it. But there was strategy behind it. It was intentional rather than like not being completely aware that this is the age of inclusivity and that in 2018 you can't come up with only 12 shades. However, I would just recommend trying it. Get a sample. It's $29. You all know how Ulta and Sephora work. If it doesn't work out, you can return it. But I like Benefit Cosmetics. I always give them the benefit of the doubt because I just love the brand. I feel like every move and every decision that they make is so intentional that I just want you on your own accord to go out, dig a little deeper into why they chose the 12 shades. I'm not entirely sure if you guys are aware that Danessa Maverick was the celebrity makeup artist that assisted them with formulating this foundation. So there's no way on God's green earth that Danessa would ever have deeper shades not on the forefront of her mind. It's just, she just wouldn't do it. She wouldn't do it. And as far as the lip I didn't do on screen, I am using my MAC Chestnut Liner, using the KKW in the shade, I'm using the shade 3 Nude. I did pick up a couple of these, just a couple, from the new launch that she had of her new lipsticks because I had such a great experience with Classic K from when she released the product with Mario with the KKW palette, which you all know I'm obsessed over. It's like more than just bae. I really do like the formula. I think it is extremely brown girl friendly. I like it. So, neither here nor there. If you guys like videos like this, make sure that you give us a thumbs up, you comment, don't forget about the giveaway. That's all you gotta do. And until next video, gems, bye.